Hello. This is the SAMSON Lumbo Sacral Belt, a clinically designed support belt available in multiple sizes. The complete size chart is shown on screen. Measure circumference around the waist immediately below navel. Remove the belt carefully from the packaging. Keeping the support panels facing upward and ensuring the straps remain untwisted for proper clinical application. Wrap the belt around the lower back, pull both primary straps firmly across the abdomen. Adjust the secondary elastic straps outward, then draw them inward for controlled reinforcement, maintaining balanced support along the lumbar sacral contour. To remove the product, release the secondary straps first, loosen the main closure gently, and slide the belt away while maintaining neutral spine alignment. The SAMSON Lumbo Sacral Belt is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON. Trusted by professionals, designed for you.